Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the tone of your video on the Video Leap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and click on this plus icon down below. Then select the video you would like to edit and click on the Add to Project button down below. Select the editing mode and click on Continue. After that, you should slide to the right side of the screen and click on the Tone Lab feature. Here you can find the tones that you can apply to your video, and when you have selected a color or a tone, you can set the hue on the slide, the saturation, and the luminance as well. As you go back, you can also use the mask feature. Here you have a bunch of options: linear, mirror, radial, or rectangle. Here you can also duplicate it and remove it. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.